Igbo men, a name that echoes resilience, ambition, and strength, but also a name often shrouded in stereotypes. The hustlers, the businessmen, the money makers. But is that all? Is that the whole story? Today, we are challenging the assumptions. We are breaking through the stereotypes to reveal the complexity and diversity of Igbo men. This is not just another narrative. This is about real lives, real experiences, and real voices. Because behind the stereotypes are stories of struggle, triumph, ambition, and humanity. Welcome to Ebony People TV, where we go beyond the headlines to uncover the truth about our people, our culture, and our stories. Today, we are taking you on a journey to see Igbo men as you've never seen them before, to understand their lived experiences beyond the stereotypes, to celebrate their strength, resilience, and the diversity that truly defines them. We begin with voices, real voices from real men, from the young student hustling to make his dream come true, to the seasoned businessman who has seen the highs and lows of entrepreneurship, from the artist breaking boundaries to the teacher molding the future. Today, they speak, they share their stories, their struggles, and their triumphs. These voices reveal a deeper truth. Igbo men are not just businessmen, they are creators, dreamers, innovators, and leaders. They are fathers, brothers, husbands, and sons. They carry within them the stories of those who came before them, the wisdom of the ancestors, and the hopes of their future generations. But to understand the present, we must look to the past. The story of Igbo men is one of resilience forged through centuries of adversity. From the days of colonialism through the struggles of the Biafran War to the economic challenges of the modern era, Igbo men have learned to adapt, to survive, and to thrive. This resilience is rooted in culture and history. The Igbo philosophy of Igbambo, the spirit of hard work and perseverance, runs deep. It is the belief that no matter how tough the journey, success comes to those who are willing to fight for it. It is the spirit of Onyekwe, Chia Ekwe. When one is determined, destiny aligns. This spirit of resilience is evident in their ambition, the drive to excel, to push boundaries, and to create new paths where none exist, whether in business, science, technology, arts, or community leadership. Igbo men have continuously redefined the possibilities of success. But this ambition is not just about personal gain. It is about community. It is about giving back. It is about lifting others as they rise. It is about building futures, not just for themselves, but for generations to come. These stories show that Igbo men are shaping the future of their communities and beyond. Through education, innovation, and community development, they are driving positive change. They are breaking boundaries, rewriting narratives, and making a mark on the world. Yet, their stories are often misunderstood or oversimplified. This is why we are here today to challenge the stereotypes, to celebrate the diversity, and to inspire a new understanding of what it means to be an Igbo man. An Igbo man is not just about wealth and power. An Igbo man is about courage, perseverance, and heart. He is about vision, ambition, and purpose. He is about community, culture, and legacy. We must look beyond the surface, beyond the stereotypes, to appreciate the full potential of Igbo men. It's time to change the narrative. It's time to celebrate the diversity of their experiences, the richness of their culture, and the power of their contribution to society. So what can you do? You can start by listening to their stories, learn about their struggles, their dreams, and their realities. Understand their journey, their hopes, and their fears, and above all, respect their humanity. Let us embrace the full spectrum of their identity. Let us challenge the stereotypes and celebrate the truth, because when we see Igbo men for who they truly are, we not only honor them, but also enrich our understanding of the world. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the stereotypes surrounding Igbo men? How can we change the narrative? We want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's engage in this important conversation about identity, culture, and understanding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to join the movement for a more inclusive and respectful narrative. Together, we can make a difference. This is Ebony People TV, celebrating our land, our people, our stories. See you in the next episode.